So yeah, waiting for a setup here. Trying to short the Nasdaq. If you look at the VIX, VIX has been down.
Can you believe that Blue Line guarantees that all of this is 100% fresh? You're going to your money back. It's good. I need it. So fresh. Tomatoes, greens, and cookies. It's about bones, Meg. It's about these cereal just cookies.
So the Wix, if the Wix, the VIX can't get past the POC here. I think now we can short the Nasdaq here. Let's see. We got a bearish engulfing right at value area. The VIX is still coming down. Um, no entry yet here. The VIX really has this place above the POC, the weekly POC, for us to show more weakness on the Nasdaq. Otherwise, the Nasdaq could rotate back up. We were down the whole session here, open manipulated to the upside, open, and then just trapped buyers here and then tanked. Now that's a nice wick. That looks good for a short. Let's see here. We can get an entry. More wicks here. Looks like sellers are trying to protect this level of absorption here and liquidation, but bulls are coming back in. Aggressive buyers here. See if they can displace. Um, Buyers take this fair value gap here out, and we can go back to the upside. But there's a there's a bear. Some sellers there. Yeah, sellers are in. This wick was a good entry, and this stats. Missed that. Let's see, then you gotta swing back into our level here. To swing back to this level, I can get an entry. Well, the bears got rejected at this level, and here comes more buyers. Buyers getting rejected. Let's try it here. Could not get that premium short here. Just need to get in a trailing position. I like that wick. We're in good position with that wick. Now we should be able to get in a trailing position. The hardest part is just holding these because of the whipsaws, and I don't know what's going on here. Why isn't that just puking? Why are we not puking? Should have gotten down to get a re-entry possibly here. It's so difficult to trail positions with the NQ. Are we moving yet? Are we ready to move? Please. Oh my gosh. Here we go. I think we're going. We are gone. We hit our target just like that. Um, we had the what confirmed it. Well, I did not get the best entry because I never can. Should have got it up here. Should have waited for well this bull candle here. Any of these bull candles would have been good at the wicks. Nasdaq really loves to swing back to wicks for um, before the manipulation before the moves. Um, but yeah, we were able to hit our target. That was a nice 1% gain. We didn't even have a chance to trail because it was moving so fast. But I'm expecting to go lower here. As you can see with the VIX, our confirmation for that. Well, looks like buyers are coming back in after that liquidity. But let's see. Let's look at the VIX. So as we can see right here with the VIX rejected here at our pivot point and pushed right into the bulls. Strong buyers coming in to push the VIX, increasing fear here, basically above the POC, and that's what allowed for that drive back down with the Nasdaq. So we hit our target there. That should do it for today. We missed so many opportunities this morning. I mean, our low hanging fruit. Where's our low hanging fruit? Let's go back to Nasdaq. Where was our low hanging fruit? Here was our low hanging fruit. Low hanging fruit. News candle here. This inflation CPI here. Um, manipulated down. Get in, build up liquidity engineer here. Pushes up above POC. This is the weekly now. Tries to come back. A lot of volume here in this level. So this level here, a lot of volume here, stays in this range, within this POC range. There, swings up and then stays above, and then displaces all of this level. This was our low hanging fruit for massive gains here. This is pretty, but but then you get to back to this level here, right here, this POC pivot point. This was the trade of the day. Missed it all. We missed all this. I mean, from here, well, if you just waited for the bull candle confirmation here, that's 500 ticks. That's the best trade of the day, low hanging fruit. And then after that, um, you get liquidation here. You get liquidation here from this massive volume spike, and then rotates back down. And look at that. We puke the rest of the day because, as you can see, the VIX was broken back above. Um, VIX has broken back above the weekly POC. So more fear. Um, yeah. But that's it for today. We had our target. We're good. Let's see. Let's check for any more news tomorrow. Yeah, there should be some more news. We'll get ready for building permits and housing at 8:30. So more high impact. Yep. Happy Wednesday. Until tomorrow. Peace.